This is my Unit 2028 Internet Programming Assignment 2 video demonstration. In this demonstration we're going to go through and demo Annie's Antiques, which was the assignment we were given. So as you can immediately tell on this index page, we have news stories, which is one of the required tasks for us to do throughout this project. I believe it was number 9. So as you can see on the home page, it's just here, and we have, obviously there's no image provided, and we can see who it was posted by and the time it was posted. So moving swiftly on, we can go to the categories page. We get greeted with this sort of like general page here, where you can select the categories for the products you wish to sort of view. You'll notice that we did move the website over to single point entry, so everything runs through the index page, and we request the page we want using the page variable. So if I was to click on paintings, for example, we get brought over to the paintings page. You'll notice that the page equals catalog and the category equals 1. So it's running through the index page. So the page is so it's requiring the catalog page, and it's saying that the category that we want from the catalog page is number 1. So it provides all the same things as the page beforehand, where we were using single pages for each category. Well, obviously it's all now done through one dynamic page. So we've got the was price here. So this product has a was price set, and you can see that it's now that price instead. This also allows us to show the year. So when we when we upload the product, we can set the year and the picture, and it will show the details that we put into it. This is the same for furniture, kitchenware, jewellery, and any other categories if we were to go through and make them. If you would notice that we have updated the copyright just here. So this is saying Annie's Antiques, copyright 2017. So if we go through to the About page, this used to be a HTML page, but it's now a PHP page using single point entry, which was one of the weaknesses that are highlighted of the website. So the Contact Us page, this is where we can go through and sort of respond to queries. So if I type my name in here, and then do my email address, and I'll put my real email address in, so I'll put a fake email address in. I'm going to put a telephone number in. My inquiry is video demonstration. Oh, it's spelled wrong, but it's only a video demo, so it'll be fine. So then press send query, and then there we go. We get brought to this page that says, thank you for your inquiry. It's inserted into the database, and it says that we'll get in touch as soon as possible. So we'll come back to that later when we go through the admin side, and we can see this in action. So this is the frequently asked questions page, which is another one of the requirements posted by Annie. So now we get to the login system. So this accepts sort of like usernames. So if we go for Annie's as an example, there is also Fred. So if we log in as Annie, we get greeted to this overview page, and it tells us who we're logged in as, and we get all the different admin options at the side. So if we log out, we can also go to log in as Fred. Also log in as Fred with the password, and we get sort of signed in as Fred. So it gives the ability to sign in as different users. So if we view the categories page, it shows us all the categories. We can go through and edit the category. So say category, view categories. We can delete the category if we wish. So if we add a new category, so if we name this as painting, we've already got painting. So if I call it as paints, add category. So now we view the category. We have paints just here. So I can delete that if I want to, and it will sort of just get removed from the category selection. So if we go through and add in paints again, then we can see that it's been added. If we go onto the catalog page and go down to paints, we can see that we have the paints category, although there's been no products that have been selected for the paint category. So if we go into the login page, back again, view the category. So obviously that's everything for the categories page. If we edit the products, we can or the view products page, so we can see sort of some quick details. So the product name, the person who posted the product, the current status, whether it's active or hidden, like one of the requirements that Annie asked for, we can see the current price, and we have these edit or delete options. So if we go through and add a new product, so we get greeted with this screen. So if we go, product name is equal to a very nice plate. Product description, old school China. Go to the price, set the price. We'll say it's £155, and we'll actually set it to our paints category that we selected earlier. Now this is where the sort of magic happens, because what we can do, if I try and find a picture. So if we add this picture and this picture as an example, we can actually select multiple pictures. Do notice here we can select multiple pictures, and if we press open, 2 files selected, so it's allowing multiple images to be uploaded for the product. And then if we set the era as 1926, and press add product, it will go through and add the product. Now if we go to the catalog page and go back to paints, you will see the very nice plate, and you'll notice that it actually, for some reason, hasn't displayed the second product image. Not sure why that is. It was working last time I checked it. Pardon me. So let's try and add another product. See if it works. Product name is some boutique. Description, hello, just for the test. Set the price to £10. £10. Set it to the paintings. So let's go through and actually upload multiple images. Let's pick that one and that one, and see if we've got any more images on here. And we'll start. Forgot to press thing. Let's change the view actually, make this a bit easier. That one, that one. So we try and upload all 3 of these. So 3 files selected. Let's see if this works. As 1562. Add product. Files added successfully. Product added. Catalog. Paintings. Okay, so it seems to not insert the last picture. I'm not really sure why it does that. Or it could be something to do with the file type. Something that I have implemented in the multiple images that upload is that it doesn't accept certain file types. So if it's not an allowed file type, it won't get added to the website. So that could be one of the reasons why we weren't seeing the pictures earlier. So if I go through the login page again, so we can see the users. So we have these 2 users, so I can add a user. So I can add me to the website. So if I do Reese, spelled massively wrong. Reese 1, set the password to password because my secure password. Password spelled wrong. There you go. So we create that user, and then if we log out and log back in using Reese 1 and password, log in. There you go. I signed in as me. So then I can add a story to the front page, or we can view all. So that was the story. That was the title of the story and the person who posted it. So if we go back to add story, so we can add a story. So demo story. Then go on article. Just go. This was a test. Now I can choose to upload an image. So if we upload this picture here that I have, and then click publish, there you go. It has gone through. If we go back to home, you'll notice that we do have the demo story. This was a test and the picture, and it will say it was posted by me at this time. So, coming towards the end of the demonstration now. So if we go to the inquiries dashboard, we can see that I posted it. The story or inquiry that I posted earlier in the video has popped up here, and we can view it. So as we see, the inquiry is a video demonstration. The person who sort of sent the inquiry in, their email address, their contact details. Then if I click mark dealt with and press submit, it will go through and it will say feedback marked as dealt, and it will actually go through and remove it from this new inquiries sort of film, and we can see the responded inquiries, and we see that it's just here. So we've got the person whose inquiry it was, their contact details here, and the staff member that responded to the inquiry. So this is some rudimentary error violation in here. So if I try and log in as just sort of something that doesn't exist, press login, it just says invalid login attempt, sort of like that comes up. Just some basic CSS animations. And I think that is all. Let me just go through and double check view categories. So if I delete this catalog, come back, you'll notice that there'll be no way to access it, and it should have gone through and deleted the products at the same time. No, it hasn't done that, but obviously that's a feature I would implement if I had more time. Okay, and that's it for my demonstration. Thank you very much for taking time to view it.